Ready to take your ethical hacking skills to the next level? Want to learn the latest tools and techniques used by top-tier hackers and cybersecurity professionals? Introducing the Certified Expert Ethical Hacker (CEEH) course, your gateway to mastering the most advanced, commercial-grade hacking methodologies in the industry. The CEEH certification will teach you everything you need to know about the world of ethical hacking, from vulnerability assessments to penetration testing, using the same tools and techniques employed by elite hackers and security experts. With 99.9% hands-on experience, you'll dive deep into practical, real-world exercises, including antivirus evasion, FUD attacks, Android 15, FUD attacks, LAN and WAN attacks on real devices software, cracking carding and spamming, and much more. At Hacker Computer School, you'll receive in-depth guidance from certified experts with years of real-world experience. Our live training is hands-on, providing step-by-step solutions to ensure that no question goes unanswered. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced hacker, we've got you covered. Get access to the latest tools and private hacking codes used by black hat hackers, all within a structured and legal framework. Gain the skills to test and secure real-world systems, and learn to identify vulnerabilities before anyone else does. Join our avant-garde live learning experience with trainers who are not just experts, but pioneers in their field. We offer training that's interactive, flexible, and global, allowing you to train from anywhere in the world. Hacker Computer School isn't just about learning, it's about excelling. Our courses are designed with the latest penetration testing techniques and vulnerability assessments to ensure that you're always ahead of the curve. Plus, we offer cost-efficient training modules that don't compromise on quality. Don't miss your chance to earn the CEEH certification, the world's most sought-after cybersecurity credential. Visit us at www.hackercomputerschool.com and get started on your journey to becoming a certified ethical hacker today.